I think stereo is another tool in the creative arsenal, and when used properly, it can help tell a story, and it can help immerse audiences in a world. It can help as a narrative tool. I think that there is the challenge of stereo is going to an area where it's just a something that needs to be there, and the necessary care is not put into its application. I think stereo has I don't know that there is the policy of the studio is doing stereo well, like the policy of the studio is doing movies well. It's hard to say that there is it's hard to categorize. Stereo takes a lot of experience and a lot of attention to be done properly. Yes, absolutely. I think that there are a couple of things. One is the constant challenge. There is always a new problem to work on. There is always a new challenge. There is always a new objective to reach. And the second, and possibly, definitely not least important, possibly more, is the ability to work with the smartest people in the industry and the most motivated and passionate people in the industry. I think that that is the thing that I get certainly the most enjoyment of every single day. Every single day. And that is the amazement of working for a company like Weta Digital. I go into dailies and every day I am impressed by the work of, again, hundreds of talented people, and proud to contribute to that. So there are certainly advancements that we have pushed. Every project comes with its own set of challenges, and there are certainly some advancements that we did. The on-set capture that we did for the Rise of the Planet of the Apes. There was also a lot of work on the creature side. The creatures department did a lot of work for making sure that the movements of the apes were incredibly realistic. There was a lot of simulation time spent onto the muscles of the creatures, as much as there was simulation and artist time spent on the hair, the clothing, the textures of the skin of the apes, and then of course a lot of also algorithmic complexity and tools that went into making the apes. But I think that they speak pretty much by themselves. The not only the quality of the imagery, but also the subtlety that they bring and that the artists at Weta Digital were able to bring to those characters and to the character construction is definitely one of the things that impressed me the most. I think there's always extra pressure. Every movie comes with an extra set of challenges, and I think it's always going to be that we are doing the best possible at that point in time. We're always going to be trying to push the boundaries and do a little bit more than what was requested, and to have a better character, something that has not been seen before, and just do a step further. We try to take one or many steps further at every project we tackle. Well, I started when I was a teenager, 13 or 14, playing with computers and starting to do graphics. And I think that what motivated me then was passion, and that is the one common denominator that I see with everybody that works in this industry and everybody I work with. That is the main driving force, that the one that makes people move to remote islands and makes people try to tackle those challenges and not only reach the objective but go the extra mile and do perfect things even better, even further. I think that is the one difference that is typical of this industry and what makes me really happy of working in it.